What a spectacular day to be out gravel riding. It's the last race of the series for me, and it's beautiful. What can I say? Fall day in Michigan. What can make it better, you say? Well, in the world of gravel cycling, there are riders, and then there's Bill Bird, a legend, a force of nature, a name that commands the utmost respect on every dirt and gravel path. To ride alongside Bill Bird is to bear witness to greatness. It's like pedaling in the shadow of a maestro whose cadence tells tales of resilience, strength, and unmatched passion for the sport. Witness the legend, the prolific pedaler, Mr. Bill Bird. Now, after chasing me down for 3 or 4 miles, Bill comes along to ask if I'm doing all right and proceeds to hop on front after chasing now and pulled me. For about a good mile, Bill was pulling. So sit back, everyone. Witness the maestro of cycling, the prolific peddler, Bill Bird. You see, Bill Bird isn't just another rider in the lineup. No. Bill is prolific in every sense. His pedal strokes are deliberate and powerful, each one pushing the limits of what most of us would dare. The gravel isn't a challenge for Bill, it's his canvas, a place where he crafts masterpieces mile by mile. As his wheels cut through the dust and the dirt and the gravel with unwavering precision, watching Bill is like watching a painter on the final brushstrokes of a masterpiece. The terrain may twist, turn, and throw obstacles our way, but Bill glides over it with a rhythm that makes it look effortless, almost choreographed. Mr. Bill Bird, the legend. See, I was once told that birds fly down south for the fall and the winter. Well, I guess Bill didn't get that memo, because here he is up north, flying up these hills. Yet, it isn't only the consistency of his pedal stroke that set Bill apart. It's his spirit, that unbreakable, steadfast spirit that inspires all of us who get the privilege to call him friend, teammate, motivator, mentor, what have you. You see, Bill's presence on gravel is electric. He's the one that kind of holds us together and uplifts us when our energy starts to wane out there, and the one that has a story or two that makes us laugh when we need it most. That's Bill. In moments when the ride tests our endurance, when the miles stretch on and the gravel seems endless, we only need to look to Bill Bird, there beside us. He powers forward, his eyes locked on the horizon, reminding us of why we started pedaling in the first place. It's not just for the thrill, it's for the adventure, the challenge, and most importantly, the camaraderie we share on this journey. Bill embodies all of this, teaching us by example to push ourselves just a little bit further to find joy in the struggle. So here's to Bill, the legend, the prolific peddler, the maestro of cycling. Thank you, Bill, for showing us what it truly means to ride with heart and soul. We are all better riders because we share the gravel with you, and we are honored to pedal in your wake, chasing the spirit of greatness you bring to each ride. Thank you, Bill.